Hi, my name is Klaus. This is El Mariachi Gastropub in Aalborg. We are a gastropub with Mexican food, and we work with the C-Frame as the point of sale with the tablet inside. It's a great partner to work with. It's easy to take out when we need it for ordering stuff in the kitchen. It doesn't stain and it protects the tablet really well. We've been here for 3 years. We're really happy with working with C-Frame. It was a great evolvement from what we worked with before. We think it's a great fit, we think it looks great, and it's a good combination with the rest of the place.